Our class. My best friend is Milica and Angela. In my school, my best friend is Milica. She has brown hair and green eyes. Milica's favorite song is Havana by Camila Cabello. She soon will get a puppy or bunny. She loves going to Belgrade and she plays the piano. She loves wearing a dress and skirt. Her favorite singers are Camila Cabello, Sam Smith, Ana Nikolic, and Teodora. Her nickname is Tommy. She likes to play game piano Tilas too. She likes eating hamburgers, sandwiches, and donuts. She hasn't got a brother or sister. Her friendship is unforgettable. In Lingua, my best friend is Angela. She has brown hair and green eyes. She loves puppies and rabbits. Angela loves listening means Not Hot, Camila Cabello, and Ed Sheeran. Her best friend is Dušica because she goes in the same class with Angela. Angela is my best friend because we have now each other for a long time and we have the same topics and problems to talk about. She is lively and talkative. She will always be friend of mine. Best boyfriend. My best friend are Andrei and Alexa. Andrei has blonde hair and blue eyes, and Alexa has brown hair and blue eyes.
When it's break time, we are very loud. Whole the school can hear us. Can hear us how we are screaming. Teachers say we are the loudest group. When it's time for class, we sit and talk. When our teacher comes in, we are still talking. When our teacher look at us, we stop talking. But when she turns around, we start talking again. My friend's voice, Dragomir has black hair and brown eyes. My best friend in Lingua is Dimitri. Dimitri has black hair. He has blue eyes. Me and him have a secret way to greet each other. He always smiles. He trains football and he goes to folk dance. He likes playing Zula and Fortnite games. He and me are playing best game in the world. That's the name of that game is Fortnite, and it's made by Epic Games. There are 1 million players playing from America and Europe.